Hi, I'm Marna, and last May I was fortunate enough to walk in an antique mall and get 100, literally 100 trolls. We actually have it's called Massive Count video that we did. You can go look at that. But in that were some really delightful trolls, and they have all their pieces, their little bitty pieces that came with them. And this was somebody's collection that I bought. And I wanted to highlight this little bitty troll because before getting the collection, I had not seen this itty bitty guy before, and I just think it's really cute. He even has a little bunny tail. He's less than an inch tall, if he is an inch, and maybe it's a she. It's got pink hair and a pink basket, but can you see the little bitty bunny shoes? I just thought this was cute and wanted to show you this at Easter time. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.